but let the formal talks first start.
The VPP President Arden Miller Basayamot yesterday urged the public in general should come and extend their support to their demand to review the reservation policy and decided after a sit-in protest in the city. Briefing the media after the sit-in protest, Basayamot said that the government should review the reservation policy as it was not fair on the Khasi people who are more in population that they are given only 40%. He also said that the government should have age relaxation for the youth who have applied for jobs when asked about their demand to hold all government recruitment process. It may be mentioned that the Voice of the People's Party, VPP, yesterday staged a sit-in demonstration at the parking lot near the Additional Secretariat in Shillong, demanding that all recruitment processes be put on hold pending a review on the state reservation policy.
Because that is our stand, that is our demand, because the problem that the youth of the unemployed youth of the state are facing is because of the reservation policy, originates from the reservation policy. Well, I think as I've spelled out the ratio of proportion between the Khasis and the Garos since 1971, the statistics indicated that the Khasis community is always higher than the Garo community by 15% average, I may say. So therefore we feel that this policy, the job reservation policy is not proportionate.
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma